What's up, fam? Welcome back. Jake Outdoors. We got DK on the channel. We're going on a fishing adventure down here in good old state of Utah. We won't give the spot too away just yet, but if you figure out, good for you. If not, good luck trying to find out. Who are we shouting out today, Dalton?
We're going to shout out Justin Madson. What's up, pal? We're with JK Outdoors.
This is JK Outdoors. Giving out. Dude, thanks for the support on the channel. We'll get you some merch one day, someday. We're about to go get fishing.
Camera wasn't rolling, but we're on. We're on our first boy here.
Got one.
Here we go.
I wasn't even able to tie my fly on yet.
It's all good, pal.
What is it?
It is.
Cutty? Rainbow?
Looks like it. Pretty good size. Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Show it for the camera. Oh man. Why don't you cooperate?
Good size bow.
Yes sir, little two-hander. He's kind of skinny, but looks good. Let's get the release. Wasn't rolling. Gosh dang it. Kind of wanted to figure it out. And then for the folks back home, here you go. Orange bead head. Has a little bit of a purple flash to it, or excuse me, yeah, purple flash to it. Balanced leech. That one's either, I think it's size 12, size 14. Yeah, so that guy right there, about 4 foot down right now, so give that a rip. We'll try it again. About right there, maybe a little bit further. See if we can't get into trouble again. Yeah, there you go. That was it. You want a blue one? Just looking at it. Yep, there we go. That's bigger. That's a lot bigger. Oh, it came off. Dang. I don't think he broke off. It felt like, yeah, felt like he just came off. That's alright. That felt pretty big though. Tells us what's going on here. And we're on. They want a little bit of movement, pal. Yeah, just twitchy. Small little twitchies. Another little bow. Little stalker bow. Come here, brother bear. Oh, skinny boy again. Kind of cut and paste from last time. A little bit smaller. Kind of skinny though. A little bloody right there. Interesting. Oh. Oh, he got it. Wow. Okay. Let's do that again.
Oh, right next to you,
What the
guy.
freak? Come on, get the leechy. Oh, freaking.
We're just gonna show them off.
JK is still 0 on the board, but the real reason we're hitting up this spot is for right now. Go get some mousies. How's it looking, DK?
It's looking mighty fishy. How about we do just the red light right now?
Tongue got one. Oh, freak. Whoops.
On the mousey.
On the mouse. It's a long one.
Big old cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Bear River.
Bear River, boys. Gosh dang it. Did it break you off? Oh. All right, Dalton just caught one. What is that?
It's a brook.
Nice, broski.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
He's not the most vibrant, but
Brookie on the mouse. Dalton's just slaying him. I'm out here looking like a fool.
nice.
Adios, señor. Oh, cutthroat. Nice. It's pretty.
We show the folks at home.
Oh yeah. On the mouse.
Sure.
At night. Dalton's showing us up. I had when we almost doubled up the tail on that one. I don't, are you strip setting it or are you like?
I'm strip setting.
Oh, okay.
Strip. Cast. Right where the rocks end.
Yeah.
And bring it towards you. Try that right there. Come.
Oh yeah. They're nice. They're. I'm coming. Dalton got a big one. Dalton got a big one. Dalton got a freaking big one. I'm coming. Dalton just got a giant. Dalton just got a giant. Dalton just got a giant.
That's a big tiger.
Freak, bro. Do you have a tape measure?
I do not.
We can measure it on your pole.
Yeah, measure it next to the pole. Let's see, let's get that hook out. Holy freaking teeth, dude. Okay, I don't even care. I botched the spot, dude. Oh, that is a big tiger.
Dude, we almost doubled up. I almost had one when you got one again.
Okay.
Mouse is out. Dude, you caught that sucker on a mouse.
Yeah. Here, let's show it off. Show off the mouse. Dude, he freaking got me good with the... So, did the Morish Mouse.
Morish Mouse. Who tied that bad boy up?
Luke Simmons.
Luke Simmons. Shout out Luke Simmons.
Shout out Pookie Bear Luke Simmons. Yeah, this is an absolute tank. I'm gonna have Jordan take a picture with my phone. Alright. I'm gonna turn my headlamp off. There,
Yeah.
gosh. Okay. Holy crap, this thing is huge. Okay. Big fishy tonight, baby. Oh. Come on. Nope. Come here, brother bear.
You want me to hold the net? Just in case.
Yeah. You hold it up. This is a two-hander for sure.
There you go. Yeah, flip it around. Tuck your fingers in. Holy crap. Stick them out a little bit. Oh, he's wanting it. Dude.
Here.
Monster of the deep.
Let me see this guy. Okay, there we go. I love that. Head off, brother. Yes, son, yes.
Look at him. He's waiting for another mousey to come by.
Come on, keep going.
I think he's good.
I think he's tired.
Yeah. I heard a lot of splashing.
So,
Dude, how was the fight?
okay, well, let me break it down for you guys. So, I don't even care, we botched it. So over here, I pulled it along the bank. There's a deep section that goes through here, and that's where the current is. I pulled it along here, twitch, pause, went right next to these weeds over here, and sure enough, I just heard the biggest, and
You just sucked her in.
that felt amazing.
It was like completely in its mouth.
Yeah,
He freaking inhaled it.
He wanted it. Shout out, Luke Simmons. You know who you are. You piece of... Yeah, anyways. Should have been here.
Dalton took your mouse and your spot.
Hold on.
Just kidding.
It's a good spot.
It's a good spot.
And he's a sweetheart.
Brothers that care, right?
Huh?
Brothers that care. I've yet to get one. I've had at least 3 inhale it, and I can't secure the bag.
Oh, by the way.
The night is young.
By the way, that one's for you, Luke. I know you've never caught a tiger. Hardly. No, you have. Not a big one. You want a big one. That one's for you.
For Luke. This video is for Justin, though.
This one is for Justin, honestly. Yes, baby.
The camera totally missed it, but your boy just got one.
Yes.
Freaking mousing.
Yes, baby.
It is freaking,
It's almost 11.
it is
Time check.
11:10 at night, and I just caught a trout on freaking, can you turn on your white light? Look at that. See that thing right there? Just been cruising it on top of the water. Look at that nice little cutthroat. Dude. Greasy sucker.
Yeah, they're a little cutthroats are a little slimy.
Tom's gonna hold it for me.
Come here, pal.
Dude, look at that cutty.
That is a...
Caught that on a mouse.
That's a Bear River cutthroat.
Bear River cutty.
Alright. You wanna hold it?
Not good.
Okay.
Alright, pass.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Let her go.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Thanks to my guide, DK. We DK Outfitters got me on my first Bear River cutthroat with a mouse. It's freaking sick.
We killed the streak of 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Just
I've
like that.
gone fishing probably at least 8 times in 2025, and I've caught 2. Well, this is now 3 fish I can remember. Stock trout just don't count. Okay, how about that?
Yeah.
And yeah, this is my 3rd fish 2025. So stay tuned. We may keep fishing. I'm severely dehydrated, so I might need water. Who knows? The fish might supply my water for me. Stay tuned. Freaking DJI just cost me a fish. 2 seconds later.
Really?
You see that bat? The heck? He's not feeling too good. Don't go out with the Troutskis. They'll eat ya.
You should look over here. See those eyes up there? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the coyote.
Coyote was, what was the coyote doing?
He had a rabbit. Definitely sounded. There she is.
Oh, yeah. Dalton saw a coyote kill a rabbit.
Oh, you can hear it too.
Yeah, I heard it.
That was diabolical.
It sounded like birds almost chirping, but
a little bit. Well, let's have a look at these. Let's have a look at these fish. Good. I need to not forget the net.
Where's your net at?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there's a good size one.
That's good size.
Little tiny rascal.
Little guy right next to it for scale.
Yeah.
Oh, check that out. Right in the water. See the sculpin?
Oh yeah. Just get close up.
That's pretty cool. You don't see those too often. Sculpin for the crowd. It's a pretty cool find.
That's an old native.
It is a native. Pretty cool. We scared off all the fish though.
Oh, there they are.
Alright, we're headed out. Oh yeah.
They're in there.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty fam, it's time to end the video. JK ended up with one fish on the board. Couple almosts. Dalton got like freaking like at least 10. And one mondo. So pretty sweet. Definitely gonna have to do it again. So if you guys like this type of content, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.
See ya.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something, don't take for granted.